Hello and welcome. Today more about quantum biofeedback. This is truly a remarkable technology which is restoring your proper frequency vibrations of the ideal 90 millivolts. It supports your healing. It reads everything as everything is energy. Simply like a lie detector, getting the actual 100% feedback from your physical body, vital body, emotional body, mental body, and spiritual body. It reads back everything from your field, and at the same time is recharging and resetting your energy field, which your physical body is a part of. Man is electric and electromagnetic, and that was already known in 1850. When your battery goes off in your car, you simply recharge your battery and the car works. Any batteries that you need to recharge or exchange. And I know that right now it's so popular to replace organs. The transplant business, it's so booming, but there are a lot of complications. And solutions are much more easy. When your computer is getting a virus, the computer guy is coming to reset your computer and clears everything what is off, and you have a clear software. Are you getting the understanding of this? We've been lied about how our body works and how separate it works, and how simple it is to recharge it and heal it. Physical body, to be in balance, has to be in synergy of the body, mind, and the spirit. The soul is having an experience in a physical body. This is our vessel, and that vessel has to last us our whole lifetime, in this lifetime. Soul is connected to spirit with the field of superconscious, the infinite intelligence. And when you understand what you are doing here and you understand your healing abilities, then you surrender to spirit and then you heal with thoughts, feelings, emotions, and words. I am here to activate your healing abilities, to restore your proper frequencies, to eliminate all your imbalances and energy blockages, which were created through chemicals in food, chemicals in water, chemicals in air. We are exposed to tons of hazardous to our health chemicals, plus all the subliminal suggestions to make us small and to create a victim of a disease. Till you will understand on how powerful your thoughts, your emotions, your feelings, and your words are. They can create magic. Till you start overcoming all the limiting programs that manipulated you from all the different programming, school programming, TV programming, and other form of simulation, and that created the over-toxic body. Everything is reversible. There are no diseases. There are diseases. The body lost its proper voltage, and the microbiome, our ecosystem, is completely depleted of friendly bacteria, which is creating 80%, if not more, of our immune system, as we are a host to trillions of species. And at this point, they are completely off if you are sick. Quantum Biofeedback's Kio modality is a remarkable tool to pinpoint all the imbalances, to get to the root of the problem. And at the same time, it can create the magic of healing. It can rebalance, reboot, and repair of all of your cells, all your energy systems, by activating your mitochondria, your batteries inside each individual cell to improve voltage and initiate healing. Your cells are simply relearning the proper frequency vibrations as they adapted to the stress and many stressors, such as pathogenic bacteria, fungus, heavy metals, pesticides, herbicides, parasites, viruses, and other stressors like radiation, and the list can go on and on. The device will awake your cells, will awake your sodium-potassium pump, and it will, in general, improve the cell membrane peak performance, improving cell signaling to initiate fast and steady results. Dr. Otto Warburg, the Nobel Prize winner in medicine for discoveries about cancer in 1930, almost 100 years ago, proved that super healthy cells are vibrating at 90 millivolts, fatigue cells at 50 millivolts, and sick cells or diseased cells are vibrating at 30 or even 15 millivolts. We can call them degenerated cells, but really they're only lacking voltage. What caused the cells to vibrate that low? As I already said, toxicity and acidity. That led to the low pH. What's pH? Low potential of hydrogen in the cell. Low oxygen. Individuals may feel instant release of a symptom during the therapy or within the first 48 hours. That's the experience of most people. They see the change between 25 to 50% after the first session. Yes, sometimes people will go through healing crisis, meaning they will feel weaker, very tired, or even exhausted if they had a lot of toxicities in their system. Our body is often giving us all the signals when needs to be recharged. And then we are getting the so-called flu. You heal and sleep. Everything is available for you under one roof to help yourself heal faster. It's good to do ion detox or magnetic clay bath or Epsom salt bath or other salt baths, sauna, pulse electromagnetic field with scalar theta frequency session. We have amazing lymphatic massage and colon hydrotherapy open system angel of water. And this will be recommended for you if it's necessary. Detoxification is the key. You truly can compare your system as it looks like a device with lots of pipes. Colon pipe, small intestine are also performing as a pipe. Veins and arteries, lymphatic system looks like pipes. Bones. In liver you have bile ducts which also looks like a pipe. And they are blocked with different stressors. For example, veins and arteries can be blocked with cholesterol plaque, calcium plaque, heavy metal plaques. Bones and are storing heavy metals, and you just release them. So detoxification is absolutely the key. Your digestive system can also have lots of calcium plaque, and then when it shows hypercalcemia, you will experience gallbladder stones, which are not only in gallbladder, but in bile ducts, in the liver, and they can drop to your colon. More frequent urination you can experience, fatigue, kidney stones formation, bone pain, headaches, constipation, forgetfulness, depression, lethargy, muscle aches, cramping, nausea, and vomiting. This is the cause of overactive parathyroid, which is in charge of your calcium metabolism, and then the calcium levels in the blood is above normal. This can lead to heart and brain issues and even so-called cancer. This is all related with your throat chakra, with your expression, your communication or lack of communication. And again, that is always related with suppressed emotions. Every organ is related with different stored emotion, which we push to our body. Your emotions, mental stress, spiritual stress, That is 85% of toxicity, which is really causing diseases. This knowledge is provided to us by epigenetic, the knowledge which allowed us to understand that genes are not in charge of our diseases. They're only blueprints, just like a blueprint when you build a house. The environment, the influences of the environment are impacting our cells. So everything from above. This allowed us to step away from seeking for problems and more understand ourselves, not being a victim of a disease, which is often put on our forehead. We don't have hereditary genetic diseases, but emotional habits, which can overpower us to 9 generations down in our family tree. These energies are sitting in our energy field. We can have attached energies to our holographic field, which are impacting our behavior. How did the scientists prove that? They were observing children who were adopted to certain families. These children were creating habits based on what they observed in the family that they were living in. Habits of diet, habits of behavior, habits of taking care of themselves, mental habits, emotional habits. Basically, they were developing the diseases which were happening in the adopted family. Genetics were completely excluded. Actually, 3 to 5% of diseases are involving genes. When one chromosome is off, and that's causing a problem. Otherwise, 20 or 30 chromosomes have to be off. You heal your emotions and you start healing on many levels. You also have to clean the mess that you created with many years of playing stories and playing a victim. I can see suppressed emotions doing quantum biofeedback, traumatic events, karmic blockages, and I can release these blocked energies. Emotions are pushed into physical body, and if you carry them every single day, as we become the story which we created for ourselves and for others, as our soul is here for its evolution. And the soul creates these problems, and then the soul has to heal. I would like to tell you a little bit about the parasites, the species, because you might be overwhelmed about this information. Dr. Hulda Clark, Canadian microbiologist, found all the answers about parasites and their vibrations, and she created zappers, and the zappers, through frequencies, they were eliminating them. And quantum biofeedback is using the zappers and right frequencies and neurolinguistic programs and homotoxicology and blood therapies and lymphatic drainage therapies using frequency, because you are energy. And then we have all the subconscious choices to create healing. Please know that all species in our microbiome, our ecosystem, were proven. They exist. We have 10,000 more of them that we have human cells, and we have 50 plus trillions of human cells. So what I am doing, I am basically taking care of your overburdened, overtoxic, overacidic, overparasitic, overseptic body. People are not sick. People are overtoxic. We need to reset our energy field. We need to recalibrate it to release all of the blockages. I call this fine-tuning. What you can expect when coming for quantum biofeedback. What therapies can you do? Hormonal balancing, releasing inflammation, infection, healing your digestive system, including ulcers, diverticulitis, hemorrhoids, reset your cardiovascular system, heal your heart, help your kidneys to release infections and stones. Even if you are preparing for a dialysis, please first allow yourself to face what is causing all of your problems, and then you can choose something which can definitely impact your life in a negative way. But please, before, come and reset your system. Quantum biofeedback can help you to heal your nervous system, depression, phobia, anxiety, addictions, heal your bones, help you to eliminate viruses and parasites and all the pathogens from your blood, lymphatic system, from your bones, brain, and heart. I do a lot of therapies on blood and stem cell activation, telomeres activation. Everything is energy. I have great results with people with Parkinson's, beginning of multiple sclerosis, muscle dystrophy, diabetic neuropathy, diabetes, pancreatitis, Crohn's disease, depression, phobia, anxieties, addiction. I truly don't like calling these names, as this is a subliminal suggestion, but this way it will be easier to tell you the spectrum of what can be reversed. You are also receiving a quantum and holistic coaching, the step-by-step protocol of what to do. Repetition is the key. You will receive the audio, which you can listen every single day. These therapies are good from very beginning of your life, from a small newborn babies till the last days of anyone's life, even to comfort someone when they decided to depart. Please remember, forgiveness is the key to heal. I am preparing another segment of Karma Release together with the Ho'oponopono. Please subscribe to my channel for extended knowledge, and please share it with others who are looking for solutions to heal. Soon, I will be offering how to prepare a visionary board based on Feng Shui knowledge. So please share and subscribe. Thank you so much. And I'm sending you lots of blessings with love and light.